Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something elegant, delight and absolutely timeless, Crochet lace pattern. Crochet lace has been loved for generations, from vintage lace made by our grandmothers to modern boho style tops and shawls. Lace crochet continues to evolve while keeping its classic charm. In today's video, I will explain what crochet lace really is, the basic stitches used, how pattern and structure, and some beginner-friendly tips to help you start your own lace project confidently. So grab your yarn and hook and let's begin. Crochet lace is a type of crochet fabric made using open work techniques. Unlike regular crochet, which create dense and warm fabric, lace crochet focus on light, airy and decorative designs. The beauty of lace comes from the spaces between stitches. These spaces form patterns such as flowers, shells, fans, diamonds and geometric shapes. Lace crochet is commonly used for shawls and wraps, scarves, table runners, curtains, lightweight summer garments. It's perfect for projects where you want elegance and softness than thickness. To create crochet lace, you don't need many materials, but choosing the right ones make a big difference. You'll need lightweight cotton yarn and crochet thread, a suitable crochet hook, usually smaller size like 2 mm or 4 mm, scissors, a yarn needles for finishing. For beginners, I recommended using light colored yarn. Dark yarn make it harder to see the stitches, especially when working with detailed lace pattern. Most crochet lace patterns are created using just a few basic stitches. Chain stitches, CH. This is foundation of lace. Chains create the open spaces that give lace its airy looks. Single crochet. This stitch your work and helps shape the pattern. Double crochet. One of the most common stitches in laces. It adds height and form the main structure. Treble crochet. These stitches create even taller loops, making the lace more dramatic and open. Shell or fan stitches. These are decorative combinations of stitches placed in the same space to create curve and floral effect. The magic of lace happens when these stitches are combined with chain spaces and repeated in a sequence. One important concept of crochet lace is the pattern repeat. Most lace designs are based on repeating section. For example, a pattern might say multiple of 6 plus 2. This means your foundation chain must be divisible by 6 and then you added 2 extra chains. A simple lace repeated could like this: double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 stitches, double crochet. When repeated across the row, this creates evenly spaced holes. As you count building rows, these holes align to form beautiful pattern like diamond or mesh. The key to success in lace crochet is counting carefully, maintaining even tension, reading the pattern before starting. Even one missed stitches can change the entire design, so take your time. One step many beginners skip is blocking. Blocking means gently shaping your finished project and pinning it into place while it dries. This helps